guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are going to do another cooking video today. It's going to be another easy crock pot recipe. You guys know I love those. So if you'd like to see what we're making, then stay tuned and we'll get right into this video. Welcome back to another easy crock pot recipe. So I am starting right off by spraying my crock pot with my avocado oil spray. If you've watched any of my previous cooking videos, you know I love to use this. It just makes the cleanup process way easier. All right, we decided to use these chicken meatballs from Trader Joe's. These are pre-cooked and pre-seasoned, and they're really, really good. You get 12 of them, and I believe it's under $5. I am going to list all of the prices at the end of the recipes, just so you can see what a good deal it was. All right, and then we did use this cream of chicken from Publix. So this is actually a deviation of a recipe my mom used to make when we were growing up. And she would do cream of mushroom with meatballs. My husband doesn't like mushroom, so we did try cream of chicken. This is the first time I've ever done it this way. You guys, it was actually really, really good. I think kids would even like this one. And it was super easy, super cheap. Yeah. So we did use 2 cans of the cream of chicken to our 12 meatballs. It was a really good ratio. It was perfect, honestly. I would say if you were going to go beyond 12 meatballs, I would add a 3rd can. The other thing I did was I took both of my cans of my cream of chicken and I added about half a cup of water and I just eyeballed it in the can. Because there was cream of chicken sticking to the sides and I wanted as much of it as I could get out of there. So I stirred it really, really well, as you can see, to get all of that off the sides and then dumped it in there. And also that water really helped the cream of chicken become a really good gravy. So I would say add the water as well if you were to make this recipe. The other thing, so I didn't think to season it because I'm like, oh, well, the meatballs are seasoned. It should be good. Because this was an organic cream of chicken, I wish I would have. So when we had our leftovers after this, I added salt and pepper, just eyeballed it when I was heating it. And it brought out such a good flavor. If you were to make this, I would absolutely recommend some salt and pepper, maybe even some garlic powder. All right, and then we did cook those on high for about an hour to an hour and a half, and it turned out really well. Because those meatballs are pre-cooked, you don't need to cook this for very long. All right, and we decided we were going to eat it over this jasmine rice, which again is from Trader Joe's. We love this rice. So this is technically a microwave rice. As you'll see here, I'm using that spray. Again, I love this stuff. I do get this at Costco, by the way, but I've seen this brand at other stores as well. Yeah, so we decided to use this rice from Trader Joe's. And like I said, it's a microwave rice, but I just don't really like to cook it that way. So I believe you can microwave it for 3 minutes, I believe is what the box says. But I prefer to just take like 6 minutes, and do it in a pan. I just think it tastes better. And I just prefer not to microwave it. As you'll see here, I decided to spray the top of the rice with that spray again. I just was worried that my rice was going to stick or burn, and I didn't want that to happen. And then the next thing I did when my rice was done is I took our avocado oil butter and I added maybe a tablespoon. I just really like the flavor that the butter brings out of the rice. It's just really good. This is just an added step that you could absolutely skip if you didn't want butter. All right, and then once my rice was all done, I took it off of the burner and I went over to check my crock pot. You guys, it smelled good. It looked good. I was really happy with how this gravy turned out. I think the consistency was great. Um, we ended up having quite a bit left. So I did take a Pyrex bowl that I have and I filled it. And in just a minute here, you're going to see how much we had left. I love crock pot recipes. I love cooking on a budget, things that are affordable. This whole recipe was under $20 and I am going to show you, I'm going to list everything so that you guys can see just how cheap it really is. Crock pots are even affordable. I got this one. Now it doesn't have the fancy timer or anything on it, but I got this at Target for under $30. Just a basic crock pot. It does the job. It cooks all our meals really well. So if you don't have a crock pot, get one. It's such a time saver, makes really good meals, super budget friendly. Yeah, I just love having a crock pot. All right, so this is how full the bowl is. We had so much left. If you guys make this, let us know below in the comments. All right, here it is. We're going to taste it. It smells, how does it smell?
That smells good.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm trying to get some of the meatball. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's really good. Really good, really easy,
Mm-hmm.
really cheap. And there's another simple crock-pot recipe for you guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And with all of that being said, remember, you can call us the Cats.